This brief video will explain when to use your benefit card and how to validate your expense. Your Chard Snyder benefit card is a convenient way to pay co-pays and prescriptions at the time of service. If you use your card for coinsurance or other charges, you will be asked to provide receipts and your explanation of benefits from your claims administrator. If paying for multiple services, such as a copay and lab work, swiping your card for each will make payment validation easier. If additional documentation is needed, we will send you an email. You may log into your account either online or the Chard Snyder app on your phone or tablet to retrieve your messages. Respond promptly so your card won't be suspended. Once you're on the home page, click on the Task or Message button. We requested these receipts or documentation because the IRS requires it for some services to prove how the money is spent. If you're online, click on View Confirmation, or using the mobile app, click on Action Required to see what's missing. The easiest way to send the missing information is either online, by clicking on Upload Receipt, upload your scanned receipt, and submit, or on the mobile app, click on New Receipt, snap a picture of your receipt, and submit. Your receipt or explanation of benefits must include date of visit or date you purchased your items, visit description or products purchased, name and address of where the expense took place, plus amount owed. A register receipt, canceled check, handwritten receipt, or previous balance statements will not resolve the request for information. Save your receipts and explanation of benefits. Storing them with your tax information is a great way to locate them if needed. If you have lost the receipt, call your provider or your medical, dental, or vision claims administrator. If you accidentally swiped your card for a charge that is not an eligible expense, you can pay back the charge by sending a check for the amount to Chard Snyder with your claim number. It takes about 5 business days for us to review and process submitted documentation. If you have questions, contact a customer service representative with the information on your screen. Our customer service hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time.